Bitcoin may have bottom and the bear market might be over. What's going to confirm that is if Bitcoin can start to close above $82,000 to $83,000 with some serious strength. Now, in the short term, Bitcoin is looking good. We're in this mini uptrend. It looks like accumulation here. But if Bitcoin can break and hold above 67,000, which is a clear resistance level, then I think Bitcoin is going to be setting up for a move to $75,000 to $83,000. So this is a very strong key level, but there's a lot of catalysts that are going to potentially drive this move to 83,000 here in the short term, literally in the next week or two that could take place. Number one, the Clarity Act could potentially get a vote this week. And what the Clarity Act is, it's a rule, it's a law that's going to unlock trillions of dollars that's going to directly flow into crypto. So basically, banks and institutions can all get involved in crypto in a very special regulated way with clarity, regulatory clarity, and that will allow so much money to pour directly into crypto, literally immediately, once Trump signs it and it goes into law. So the market is waiting on that. I think that this is pretty much going to be the bull market catalyst. It's going to send everything higher. But in addition to this, we have FOMC this Wednesday. I think the Fed is going to end up cutting rates at least once this year. The market is pricing in one hike, but that's because we had bad inflation data with this whole Iran war situation, which oil just crashed 8% now as futures opened amid reports of new negotiations. And we can see the market is beginning to now price in a peace deal again. So this is quite interesting. If we get a peace deal, the Clarity Act, and then the Fed this week starts to talk about rate cuts, Bitcoin will, if all of those things happen, Bitcoin will probably pump to 75K in a couple of days, and altcoins will go absolutely berserk. That's what I think is going to happen. So the key level here, very simple, is Bitcoin breaks and holds above 67,000. Then I think we have longs are free into like 75K. I think that's it. But if Bitcoin rejects here, then Bitcoin could pull back to like 60K, maybe even sweep the lows here. And these are two scenarios that I'm looking for and going to personally trade. So the market is overall looking quite good. Altcoins are looking good. Ethereum just made a new high today from the bottom, and that is quite interesting. Ethereum is in an uptrend. Other altcoins are starting to bounce and look like they're developing support. This is looking quite good. A lot of coins are pumping, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is pumping. There's a lot of money kind of rotating back into the markets here, and that is certainly a very good thing to see. It's a very good sign. And we want to keep our eyes on oil. Oil is starting to break down here. It's down about 10%. And if it starts to break down and we get this peace deal, the markets are going to rally. The reason why Bitcoin has not been able to break 67 is because of this war situation with Iran. It's causing a lot of uncertainty with oil pumping. The markets do not like all this uncertainty. The market needs certainty. The market needs clarity to pump. If there's a lot of crazy things happening causing global energy prices such as oil to skyrocket, with uncertainty, it's going to be very hard for cryptos to rally. Can they still rally? Yes, but it's going to be extremely hard because those events trigger risk-off events with algorithms and hedge funds and institutions. And it's just the name of the game. It's the rules of the game. But I think cryptos are setting up for the most hated rally ever, and it's literally happening right now. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.